Isang magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. And nandito na naman po tayo to do some tests. So the last test po na ginawa ko was I used this 2600 watt larger mania induction range. So okay na po tayo dyan. We can set this aside na. And in this video, ang titest naman po natin is this microwave oven. This is a 24 liter microwave oven with a rating of 1250 watts. So ito naman po ang ating try ngayon. So we are going to power up our... So ito po yung ating ginagamit na power source. This is a pair of Powerhouse 24 connected to our 3 kilowatt 3000 watt toroidal inverter. Mag-plug na po si microwave oven doon, and we are going to put this bowl of water. Yung temperature na po siya. Iyaw na siya. Okay, so here we go. So that's the 30-second button. Under na po siya. So it's working. This can also be mounted on your rig or your camper van. If you want to have a microwave oven there is a way to mount this. And if you want to use a DCDC charger, there is a DCDC charger that has a 12 volt input and a 24 volt output. So pwede pa rin po itong setup na ito ang power source ng inyong camper van. Yun, tapos na. Init na siya. Try po natin ng, kasi that was a 30-second button. Try po natin ng full minute. Yan. That's a, you can see that it's a 60-second count. So like I said, you can still mount this on your motorhome or camper van if you use a DC-DC charger with a 12 volt input and 24 volt output. So if you have a big motorhome or camper van, if you want to use a microwave oven or an induction cooktop for the appliances inside your motorhome or rig, so this setup is the ideal setup for that. So ito po yung nagpa-power niyan, a pair of OCPH Powerhouse 24 and the 3000 watt toroidal inverter. Oh. Ayun, mainit na. Gusto mo siya. I hope you like this video, and ibabalik ko na po sa aming kitchen to bago po ako mapagalitan na inilabas ko na naman lahat ng aming gamit. Thank you for watching.